Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things home and lifestyle. We're here to help you transform your living spaces into the epitome of comfort and style. Whether you're a home enthusiast looking for DIY tips or a professional seeking expert advice, House Lux Estate is your reliable companion. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many homeowners and renters alike: hiring an interior designer. It's a big step, one filled with excitement, anticipation, and a fair share of questions. We'll break down the top 10 things you need to know before you embark on this journey. From understanding your style and setting a budget, to researching designers and asking the right questions, we've got you covered. So if you're considering hiring an interior designer, this video is a must-watch for you. Stay tuned and let's get started. First things first, understand your style before hiring an interior designer. It's like knowing your favorite ice cream flavor before stepping into the parlor. You wouldn't want to end up with a rocky road when you're a vanilla fan, would you? Understanding your style is the compass guiding you through the vast sea of design possibilities. Are you a minimalist at heart, or does bohemian chic make your heart flutter? Do you find solace in the clean lines of modern design, or do you prefer the comfort of a cozy country cottage? Knowing your style not only helps in choosing a designer, but also in communicating your vision effectively. It's your dream home we're talking about after all. It's where you'll make memories, entertain friends, and unwind after a long day. So it's crucial that it reflects your personality and tastes. Remember, a clear idea of your style will make the process smoother and more successful. Next, it's crucial to set a budget before you start the process. Now, why is this so important? Well, envisioning your dream space can be an exciting journey, but without a clear financial plan, it's easy to get swept away and end up with a bill that's more of a nightmare than a dream. Setting a budget is more than just deciding on a dollar amount. It's about understanding where that money is going and how it can influence your choice of an interior designer. Some designers specialize in luxury makeovers, while others excel at stretching every penny to create a beautiful, budget-friendly space. Your budget will not only guide your designer choice, but also help you prioritize your wants and needs. It's your financial roadmap, leading you through the myriad decisions that come with a redesign. So, before you dive headfirst into the world of interior design, take a step back and set your budget. Having a budget in place will help you make informed decisions. Now that you have your style and budget, it's time to research potential interior designers. Think of this step as a treasure hunt for the perfect partner in crime, someone who can bring your dream space to life. Start by exploring their portfolios. This is their visual CV, showcasing their style, creativity, and attention to detail. Next, consider their experience. Have they worked on similar projects? Do they have a knack for maximizing small spaces or creating multifunctional rooms? Don't forget to check out their reviews. This is a goldmine of information that can give you a real insight into their work ethic, reliability, and communication skills. Are their clients happy? Did they deliver on time and on budget? Comparing different designers will give you a solid understanding of what's out there and help you find the perfect fit for your project. Remember, the more research you do, the better your chances of finding the perfect designer for your project. Once you've shortlisted a few designers, don't hesitate to ask them questions. It's not just about their creativity or their portfolio, it's about how they work, how they think, how they communicate. And the best way to understand all of this? Inquire about their design process. How do they approach a new project? What kind of involvement do they expect from you? Get a sense of their estimated timeline. How long do they anticipate the project to take? Will there be any potential delays? And most importantly, understand their style of communication. Do they prefer emails, phone calls, or face-to-face meetings? How often would they update you on the progress? Don't shy away from these questions. Remember, you're not just hiring someone to make your home look good. You're entrusting them with a space that's personal and precious to you. Asking questions will help you gauge if the designer is the right fit for you. While it's important to know your style, it's also crucial to be open-minded. This statement holds true, especially when it comes to interior design. You see, interior designers are like artists. Their canvas is your home, and their brushes are the elements they use to bring your vision to life. But sometimes, their vision may not entirely align with yours. There will be suggestions, ideas, and designs that might seem a little out of your comfort zone. But remember, these are not just random thoughts. They are meticulously thought-out concepts backed by years of experience and a deep understanding of design principles. So don't be quick to dismiss them. Instead, be open to these new ideas. Give them a chance. You might be pleasantly surprised by the results. And the best part, this open-mindedness can lead to a more creative and unique interior design. Being open-minded can lead to a more creative and unique interior design. After all, isn't that what we all want? A space that is uniquely ours. Another important step is to check the references of your potential interior designer. It's like checking the credentials of a person you're about to trust with your home's makeover. References provide a first-hand account of the designer's work ethic, reliability, and overall performance. You see, a good interior designer will always be ready to provide references from their previous clients. These clients can give you insights into the designer's professionalism, their ability to meet deadlines and stay within budget, and of course, their creativity and design prowess. Moreover, don't just stop at the references given by the designer. Go a step further. Look for online reviews and testimonials, and even consider reaching out to the designer's previous clients if you can. This can give you a more comprehensive understanding of their work. Remember, this is your home we're talking about. You want to ensure you're hiring the best person for the job. Checking references will give you peace of mind about your choice. Once you've chosen a designer, it's time to discuss the contract. Now, a contract isn't just a piece of paper, it's a roadmap for your project. It outlines the scope of work, which should detail everything you've agreed upon with the designer. This includes what rooms are being worked on, what changes will be made, and even the type of materials that will be used. The timeline is another crucial part of the contract. It outlines when the project will start, when each phase will be completed, and the estimated completion date. Remember, interior design is an art, not a science. Delays can happen, but a clear timeline gives you an idea of what to expect. Payment terms are the last piece of the puzzle. They determine how and when the designer will be paid. A typical contract might include an upfront deposit, followed by scheduled payments as work progresses. A clear contract will help prevent any misunderstandings down the line. Finally, remember to be patient during the design process. Interior design is a bit like baking a soufflé. It's an intricate process that requires time and precision. It's not a microwave dinner that's ready in 3 minutes. It's a slow-cooked feast that will leave you satisfied for a long time. Patience is crucial in the world of interior design, where every detail matters, from the choice of materials to the placement of furniture. The journey to the perfect interior is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Rushing the process can lead to costly mistakes and unsatisfactory results. It's like waiting for a flower to bloom. It takes time, but once it does, it's absolutely worth the wait. So sit back, relax, and trust the process. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a beautifully designed home. Patience is key to achieving the home of your dreams. Now, let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. We began by understanding the importance of identifying your personal style. This gives a clear direction to your interior designer and ensures your space truly reflects you. Next, we discussed the necessity of setting a budget. Having a financial plan in place helps avoid overspending and keeps your design project within your means. Then, we emphasized the importance of researching various designers to find one that aligns with your style and budget. We also encouraged you to ask plenty of questions to ensure full transparency and understanding. We highlighted the significance of being open-minded to new ideas, which can lead to a more unique and personalized space. Furthermore, we talked about the importance of checking references to ensure the credibility and reliability of your designer. We also discussed the need to thoroughly understand the contract before signing. Lastly, we reminded you to be patient, as good design takes time. Remember to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more home and lifestyle tips. Thank you for watching.